Hello, welcome to Healthy Living Fitter channel by Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make a very healthy green pepper sausage omelet. It's going to be delicious, and just stay with me as I put everything together and see how it goes. So I'll see you right back here. And today's ingredient that I'm going to use half of this green pepper. I'm going to use 3 eggs. I have 1 already broken, and then also I am going to use half of red onion. I have smoked sausage that I'm going to be mixing to this. This is just going to be very simple green pepper sausage omelet that we are going to make. I also have 1 green onion that I'll be adding to this. And so let me just cut everything together and we'll start making our green sausage omelet. Alright, so I'm going to bring the eggs in here. You can see right there. So we're going making 3 eggs. There's the other one. And then just half of the green. Put this in here. I'm gonna get all the seed out, take the membrane also out, and I'm just gonna slide this, cut this in half, and I'm going to just like that, very long like that. You can always make it slide it a little bit smaller, but it just all depends on how you want it. Alright, so this is done. We put this in the egg, and then I'm gonna do these. Alright, so this is our green onions. Spring onions is all in there. And I'm gonna cut the onions. This is in half. Get the skin off. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut the onions also in thin slices. It's gonna be delicious. The smell of, I like red onions because it's so flavorful. Even the smell from the cutting the onions. And then we're gonna put all that in there. All that in. And then our sausage, we are just going to cut this in an angle like that. Thin slice. Just like that. And we put this in here. I'm gonna slide the second one just the same way. This is a smoked sausage. You can get any kind of sausage. That all depends on your choice. Okay. Oh, well, look at that. All right, so everything is in here. And then what I'm going to do next is I have my seasoning, to add a little seasoning to this. And I'm going to add a little cayenne pepper. If you don't want pepper, you don't have to put it in. So 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then just 1/8 spoon of a little food flavor. And then there we go. I'm gonna incorporate everything together, and as you can see, this is lovely. Looks like our bowl is a little too small, but there we go. We just have to mix everything in here. This is really veggie, and we're gonna put this back in, and then we're just gonna leave this a little bit, and I'm going to add 1/8, and this is going to be garlic salt. Just use a garlic salt, just 1/8 spoon. All right, and everything is mixed well. Now we're gonna start frying our green onions and sausage. All right, so I'm just gonna add oil. All right, just a little oil that will fry this nicely for us. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm already heating the pan for a while, so the pan is a little bit warm now. So all I have to do is just put our mixture in here. Look at how lovely this looks like. And I can smell it already. The flavor from this smell good. It smells so good. Alright, I am going to cover this and turn it upside down. And we're just going to put this back in. Look at that. Got this nicely colored. All right, looks like yeah, it is done. All right, and we're just gonna fold these half like that, and this is ready. Well, and look at our green pepper sausage omelet is ready. I'm going to just put this in a bowl, this bowl here. As you can see, and look at this. This is really yummy, and I'm gonna give this a quick taste. You can eat this with anything. Hello friends, we just finished making our green pepper sausage omelet, and I'm gonna give it a taste. And look at it, it smells so good. How lovely it looks. Look at this. So look at how lovely it looks like, and I'm just gonna give it a taste how it comes out. Look at that. This is amazing. The sausage is so good. Everything incorporated nicely. All the spice we put in, you don't even taste pepper at all. Not too much like a heat. Not too much heat. And you can see our green pepper. It's so crunchy and has all the flavor in it. This is just a quick meal omelette that you can make. Simple, healthy. You have all the vegetables in, the onion, green pepper, spring onions, and then with your spices and your eggs, and you are done. Simple. And so I hope you can make this for yourself. It's very healthy. Simple. You have every vegetables, all the vegetables that you need. You can add more depending on how you want it or how you want it to taste for you. And so this is something simple that I want to show you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me, and I will get back to you as always. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed. I'll see you on my next one. Take care. Bye bye.